What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your Galaxy S24 FE. So to do this, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and tap on reset, and then scroll down to the end and here tap on factory data reset. Now scroll down to the end and here again tap on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default and everything from your phone will be deleted, including photos, videos, files, apps, everything will be deleted. So tap on reset and your phone will be factory resetted. So that's how you can factory reset your Galaxy S24 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.